This is Terrier group. And of course we have the Pit Bull Terrier, Patterdale Terrier. They're going to go around together. You have the Rat Terrier behind the Patterdale, the Russell's Terrier, and the American Hairless Terrier. There's a Patterdale, Mr. Mackie Doodle. CMC's Mighty Mac of Dodgin. He's going in the shade. Try and get those dogs out of the sun. Pit Bull looks very nice. Each of these dogs have competed against the other dogs in the breed and have won Best of Breed. This is Mighty Mac. He's looking good. That's the judge. Looks very nice. We can relax. This is the Rat Terrier. It's walking very nice. Gating. This is the Russell's Terrier. Don't get them confused with the Jack Russell. These dogs have shorter legs. That is why they're called the Russell's Terrier. The Terrier group is the largest group in UKC. There's only 5 dogs represented today because there are only 5 breeds. At a larger event, there could be up to 19 and 20. This is American Hairless. The dog has no hair. It's actually the first time I've seen it at a UKC show. The show is put on by the Northwestern American Eskimo Club, and the handler just switched hands, switched back. The dog should always be to the left of you so that the judge can watch it gate. And that was the order, I believe. He didn't really... Well, goodness. I don't even know how he placed. He's writing it down. Let's see how he distributes the ribbons. 1, of course, Pit Bull. Good job. Matt got number 2. Awesome. 3 is Rat, and 4 is Russell.